Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about how to turn on Startech docking station, how to set up and use Startech docking station. How to set up Startech docking station. Step 1. Unbox and identify components. Unbox your Startech docking station. Check for include items, the docking station, power adapter, USB cable and manual. Step 2. Connect the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the docking station. Connect the other end to a wall outlet to supply power to the dock. In step 3, connect your laptop. Use the USB cable provided to connect the docking station to your laptop. For USB-C model, make sure you are using a compatible USB-C port on your laptop that support data and power delivery. Step 4. Install necessary drivers if required. Visit the Startech website to find drivers for your docking station model. Download and install the drivers for your operating system Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Restart your computer if prompted. Okay, let's move to step 5. Connect additional device. Plug in peripherals such as monitor, keyboard, mouse or external hard device into the docking station port. Connect your monitor using HDMI or DisplayPort cables for video output. In step 6, configure display setting. Adjust your display setting on your laptop to configure multiple monitors if needed. This is usually done in the display settings menu of your operating system. How to turn on Startech docking station. Step 1. Check power connection. Ensure the docking station is plugged into power outlet and the power adapter is securely connected to the dock. Step 2. Power button. If your model has a power button, press it to turn on the docking station. If not, it should power on automatically when connected to the power source. Step 3. Connect your laptop. Connect your laptop to the docking station using the USB cable. This will also power the dock if it supports power delivery. Step 4. Verify functionality. Check that all connected peripherals, monitor, keyboard, etc. are working correctly. Ensure drivers are installed if required and connections are secured if peripherals are not recognized. How to use Startech docking station. Step 1. Power on the docking station. Press the power button if your model has one, otherwise it should turn on automatically. Step 2. Connect your laptop. Connect your laptop to the docking station using the USB cable. This connection allows data transfer and charging. Step 3. Access connected devices. Access device plugged into the docking station such as external monitors, USB device or network connections. Now let's move to step 4. Utilize additional features. The docking station port can be used for various functions. USB port connect USB device like flash, drivers or prints. Ethernet port for a stable internet connection. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router to the dock. Audio port if available. Plug in speaker or headphones. Step 5. Switch between devices. If you have multiple devices you can simply disconnect or connect them as needed to switch between them. So all URL are mentioned in the description box. It will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.